How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ishan, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down the full technical analysis and price target for Zomedica stock, along with my personal strategy on how to profit, because I believe that the stock could be setting up for a huge move. So make sure you stick around till the end. And with that being said, if you want to learn technical analysis for yourself and a lot of advanced strategies to help you become more profitable and make better entry and exit decisions, be sure to check out the Gen Z Trader Academy down below, because the current $11.99 sale will be ending in the next 48 hours. So get access right now and let's get to it. Alright, so jumping into the technicals for Zomedica stock, we can see a few things right off the bat. So first of all, last video I told you guys clearly how we were forming this 3 black crows pattern, essentially 3 consecutive days of red candles. So I told you guys clearly last video that I expect a short-term bounce, but overall I think the stock could be heading lower. In fact, we ended up dropping down to 84 cents, which was the exact level I told you guys to watch for on a move lower. So congrats if you've been profiting off these videos, because we've been insanely accurate in predicting Zomedica's short-term price movement. Now if we take a look at what's been happening recently, again we can see how we've been forming lower lows and lower highs, essentially trading in this downwards channel, and this indicates that bears are in control. The reason being is that it shows that bears are able to continuously keep forcing new lows. However, I believe that the stock could be in for a bounce, and now there are a few reasons. First of all, we can see it's right at this bottom support line that it's been holding for a few weeks now, so there's a lot of potential we run up back to this top resistance line. Apart from that, we can also see how the red MACD line is beginning to cross back above the green signal line, and this essentially indicates that the momentum is shifting in favor of the bulls. So if you can get a definitive break above the green signal line, that would be a pretty good confirmation signal that there's potential for a reversal higher. Like even right over here, when we got a definitive break above, we got a nice little run up. But apart from that, we can also see how the RSI has dipped down to about 30, also signaling that the stock is pretty oversold. So now that you get a rough understanding of the technicals, let me break down my price target and my exact strategies to profit. And this is also where I want to break down some more important things. So if we actually go to the 6-month 4-hour chart, we can see that the stock has basically no support below 84 cents. As we can see, support right over here at 84 cents, over here, but below 84 cents there's literally no support in this area. In fact, if I actually put in a trend line, we can see that the next level of support is all the way down here at 50 cents at this previous level of resistance. So if this stock ends up breaking 84 cents, this stock could be heading about, let's say that's about 40% lower. I'm not trying to be bearish at all here, guys. I've been breaking down the technicals how I see it for months now, and as a result of that, a lot of you guys have made a lot of money profiting off this technical analysis. So I'm never going to say, oh, Zomedica stock is going to 10x. I'm going to tell it to you how I see it. And what I'm seeing is that if we break 84 cents, we could continue lower and lower until we find support all the way down here at 50 cents a share. So that's why it's going to be crucial we hold its 84 cent level, and as a result of that, I actually believe that is a very high chance that Zomedica stock bounces higher from this 84 cent level. As we can see, it's going to be crucial to hold, and because of that, I have a feeling that since the stock is just so oversold, there's a lot of potential that we now finally get a definitive bounce. So first of all, if we can break above the 9 EMA, which is this blue line right over here, if we can break above this 9 EMA, turn it into support, like right over here, the moment we broke above the 9 EMA, the trend direction shifted in favor of the bulls. But the moment we break below the 9 EMA, essentially the trend direction is in favor of the bears. So if we can break above the 9 EMA, I could easily see the stock heading up to $1.10, where I might look to take an initial position. However, like I said even last video, until we break above $1.10, I will not be looking to buy. The reason being is that it's a pretty strong level of resistance. As we can see, it was a previous level of support that turned into resistance, and so this $1.10 level is going to be crucial that we break, and only once we break above $1.10 will we ought to break above this top diagonal resistance line that's been forming for a few weeks now. What I want to see again, guys, is for it to push up turn it into support, and then follow through higher. Like right over here, we broke above, we didn't get any follow through. Follow through is super important because you want to see buyers actually validate that level as support and push it higher. You want to see buyers committing to the price action. So once we get that follow through, I will be buying into that, and I could see the stock then running all the way up here to potentially this $1.40 level where essentially this downtrend started. I mean, this is where it started, so I could see it going from this swing low up here to this swing high at $1.40 for about, a 30 to 40% return just like that. And once we break above $1.10, another big thing that's going to be happening is the stock will also break above the 9 EMA on the daily chart. As we can see, one of the biggest reasons why the stock has just been trending lower for months is because right over here the stock broke below the 9 EMA, and as you can see, it's been pushing up, turning the 9 EMA, which is this blue line, into resistance, push up resistance, push up resistance. But until we can get a definitive break above it, just take a look, like right over here it was holding it as support, boom, we ended up running higher until we can break above it, which is also a break above $1.10, like right over here, this $1.10 level. If we can break above, I'm telling you guys, there's a lot of potential for a big reversal higher. If we break above $1.40, then I could easily see the stock running up here to potentially about this $1.70 level where we had a previous level of resistance over here. Now, if we end up breaking 84 cents, like I mentioned, there's a lot of downside for the stock. If we go back to the 6-month 4-hour chart, we can see that the next level of support is right over here at this previous level of resistance right here at 50 cents. So that's why it's going to be crucial to watch for the stock to continue holding 84 cents. But overall, in my opinion, I think we're setting up for a reversal higher, and if you can get a definitive break above $1.10, that's only when I would be looking to take a bigger position. But you could also take a small position on this break above the 9 EMA and try to sell up here at $1.10, but only once we break above $1.10 do I really think we have a fighting chance for a much larger move higher. So that's the video, guys, and if you want to learn a lot more advanced strategies than what I just talked about here and technical analysis for yourself, be sure to check out the Gen Z Trader Academy down below, because the $11.99 sale will be ending in 48 hours. There's only 48 hours left, so get access right now. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.